Let's look at the palette editor, which is the engine of the palette. As you can see, it makes the loaded palette the active palette on editor. This can be swapped anytime. Let's dive into the ways the buttons are populated in each tabs in the palette. Let's highlight each tab for a quick overview. First, Document tab. All the families are fetched in the current document, which is Doc 2026 RVT for this session. Categories to be loaded are defined on each drop-down boxes. Loaded families can be filtered by either family name or family type using multiple operators. Families can load the first type or load the entire types. Button label naming can be configured to either auto or custom. I'd keep it auto, but if you want more control, use custom. Now let's look at the Template tab. Families here are fetched from an external Revit document, either an RVT file or RTE file. This is technically a template file. If your template file has more or multiple Revit versions, enable the Auto Detect Revit version to fetch from a folder. Otherwise, choose a single specific file as the template. Path mode can be set to either absolute or relative. These families being fetched are defined in the categories drop-down boxes, like Document Fetch Format tab. This option has filters, load type, button, and label naming. Now let's look at Folder tab. Loaded families here are from an external folder defined in the folder path. Checking Auto Detect Revit version will load only families matching the current Revit Sessions version. Filters can also be applied along with the standard load type and button label naming. Now, let's look at the Custom tab. Custom tab is a combination of 3 fetch format tabs, but the buttons are individually customized in the button properties. Document, Template, and Family fetch format populates buttons in the tab from the selected categories, while the custom format populates the tab with a single family tailored to customize its button label and icon. For the family buttons, the source can come from 3 options: active document, external document, and external family. The action buttons, which are part of the custom tab format, are built-in functions to automate repetitive tasks. Actions are categorized and each has their unique parameters. Let's explore the palette delegation on the next video.